Hello, guys, and how are you all doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. Oh, it's been a long time, guys. So, if you've missed me, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you. All right, so let's get right into today's video. Today we'll be unboxing this Samsung Galaxy A12. We'll be both unboxing and installing and putting a screen guard and a phone case. These are two Samsung Galaxy A12. I really have a good testimony about this phone. My first phone was stolen, and somehow I went to the supermarket to buy another one, and somebody just walked up to me, like a random guy just walked up to me. He was shopping and just walked up to me and said, "Oh, do you want to buy a phone?" Like, he started talking about his own phone company, which is Metro by T.Mobile, and told me that I could get a free phone. I was like, "Really?" He said yes. So he told me the details and all that. And true to his words, I went to the shop and I was given a free phone. However, you have to pay for a few other things, like maybe let me say the line, like we know it back in Africa. So, and then the phone guard and the phone case as well. So that was all I paid for, guys. Is that not a miracle? I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy and so glad. Okay, so like I said, we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A12, and it's an upgrade from the Samsung A11. This is an upgrade, and honestly, who doesn't want an upgrade? So right now we're unboxing the phone, guys. Yeah, so in it has the phone. So that's the phone, and um the charger. It doesn't have earphones like most phones back home, but this will do. It's a free phone, of course. So it has, even if you buy the phone, normally, even if you buy your phone here, it comes with just the phone and the charger. It doesn't have um an earphone. So let me just read what's at the back of the box. It says packaging contains Samsung Galaxy A12, wall charger, USB cable, quick reference guide, and terms and conditions. Yeah, so right here we're just trying to open it up, remove the paper foil, and also put in the SIM card. It says that portion of memory occupied by existing content. Hearing aid compatibility. This phone has been tested and rated for use with hearing aids for some of the wireless technologies that it uses. So those with hearing aids can actually use the phone. So right here we're just trying to put the SIM into the SIM card holder, and also to put it inside the phone, so the phone can be set up for use. And I'm so glad that they were able to help me set it up for use and help me put the phone guard and also the phone case. So they did practically everything for me. I'm so grateful, so happy, and I appreciate these guys a lot for taking out their time to do everything. So the like I was saying, the phone can be used by those even wearing hearing aids. However, there may be some newer wireless technologies used in this phone that have not been tested yet for use with hearing aids. It's important to try the different features of this phone thoroughly and in different locations using your hearing aids or cochlear implant to determine if you hear any interfering noise. So right now he's just helping me put this beautiful, lovely, should I call it neon pink? It's so nice. The phone case is so lovely. So I put phone case on one and screen guard on the other one. So I really love this phone case. It looks pinkish, neon pink. So good, guys. So good. Yeah. Okay, so if you have questions about return or exchange policy, consult your wireless provider or phone retailer. Who is returning? I'm not returning, except they want me to come and exchange it for like a higher phone, like an upgrade. But return, no way. No returning any phone. Now use only Samsung approved chargers and cables to avoid injury or damage to your device. Do not use incompatible one or damaged batteries, chargers, or cables. Like I've had this problem before. Like sometimes you maybe lose your charger or your charger stops working and you just pick up any charger and charge your phone. Sometimes it spoils the charging ports of the phone, and even sometimes the place you put your earpiece, it also spoils it. Like if you just use any earphones, like it also spoils that part of your phone. So it's advisable to use a good earphone and a very good charger so you don't damage the charging port of your phone. Now, if you open the package, use or retain the device, you accept Samsung's terms and conditions, including an arbitration agreement. Full terms warranty and opt-out information are at www.samsung.com/US legal phone blah 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 blah. Oh, okay, let me just finish it. Slash the enclosed materials and device settings. So that's the package in which they put the phones for me, Metro by T-Mobile. Like, don't you guys love the packaging? Purple and white and a dash of pink. Like, this is so lovely, so beautiful. So that's the phone, the first phone with the, should I call it pinkish or orange? Like, I don't even know, but it's so nice, like neon kind of thing, like that. Neon, is it neon orange or neon pink? Like, guys, if you know this color, please put it down for us in the comment section. For those of us that don't really know the name of that color, like it's so good, so lovely. I love it. I love it. Love it. So right here is trying to put the phone, the screen guard. So it's just cleaning the surface of the phone, um, making it ready to put the phone guard on it. Like the phone guard protects, or the screen guard, I should say, protects your screen. Like I've had phones that maybe it fell down and the screen breaks. Like it costs a lot to replace the screen. So the screen guard helps you to protect the screen of the phone from breaking once it falls and all that. So it's really a good idea to like have a screen guard on your phone. So this device is a software programming lock that in part protects many of the device's features and functions against tampering and unauthorized reprogramming. Okay, so you can't tamper with the program of this phone. Like, who even wants to tamper with the program? Safe? Do I even know how to do that? I don't know how to do that with my iron eyes. I don't know how to do that. Okay, like he's just putting the screen guard, like I said, and trying to like fix it in properly so that it's perfect, and trying to take out any air bubbles so that it will be perfectly snugged on the screen of the phone. So your device may not work if you alter its original software. I'm not going to do that. It contains ion battery, so you should dispose it properly as per the local regulations and not a household waste. Not all public safety answering points are capable of receiving enhanced 911 location information, and this device cannot be located in all circumstances. So be prepared to report your precise location when calling 911. Coverage not available in some areas. See terms and conditions, including arbitration provision. Now, Samsung Electronics America Incorporated, Samsung and Samsung Galaxy are registered trademarks of Samsung Electronics Company Limited. Other marks are the property of their respective owners. Enclosed items imported. See each item for country of origin. Screen images simulated. Appearance of device may vary. So basically that's it, guys, and my Samsung Galaxy A12 is ready for use, and I'm so excited and so happy. Like I said, you don't know how happy I am, guys. Like getting a free phone. Oh no. And these guys at this shop really helped me a lot. Like right now he's just trying to ensure that there's no air bubble, like no single air bubble, so that the phone screen guard can work properly. So actually, I'm so happy and so grateful. Thank you, guys. The two guys at Metro by T-Mobile. Thank you so much for all your help, and the angel, I should say the person is an angel that walked up to me at the supermarket and told me about this offer. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you're not. Like, it really helps me a lot. Just motivates and encourage me. So please, if you have not hit the like button on this video, please go ahead and hit the like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not joined this beautiful family. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I wish you a very fantastic, lovely, beautiful day ahead. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Have a beautiful day and enjoy the view of the shop as you go. Bye.